Good afternoon, guys. I've not been doing the best job at all with my yarn advent, so I'm gonna apologize for that again. So what is today? I don't even know what today is. 8, so there's 7. It's 15, so this one is 8. Also, got a black velvet turtleneck on and my hair keeps sticking to it. It's not black actually, it's like chocolate, but I can't find a lint roller. My hair's sticking on it on all sorts of awkward angles. But we'll make it through today. So we're gonna open 7. I'm awful at this, and since I'm not working on a project, I'm not really trying to like open the next part. Ooh. I don't know this one either. But this is the color. It's gorgeous. Which side does this go on? I'll lay them all out again and show everybody what it looks like next to it, maybe. Or maybe I'll do it a little bit, but I just like looking at it since it's a gradient. Another like super moody. Boop. And there we go. Those are my 2 for the day. Oh, cannot wait to get these on, like into the project. Cannot wait. Cannot wait to use this bag. Wait. Oh, I got an open anytime I just found in here. Ooh. I don't know what that means. There's like treasures in here that I didn't see to begin with. Like, what? Maybe I should have taken everything out. Ooh. It's a gauge. It's just a little wooden gauge. Nice. Oh, Katrinkles. Nice swatch gauge mark. Measurer thing. Swatch measurer. Yeah. Is there more fun stuff in here? Oh, there's a nice pocket in the bag. There's something in the bottom. Oh, that's 25. Nope. Anything else in here? Finding all sorts of goodies. All right, well, that would be it. That's all that I got. Not doing very much lately just because I'm kind of going into hibernation mode. It's getting really, really cold in the house, so my level of productivity is like descending with the temperature. So sorry if again these turn out a lot shorter. I just am not gonna do a lot. I'm gonna sit here in my blanket wrapped up, read or watch TV, because definitely having some FOMO on watching everybody do some advent knitting. But I will see you guys later. For those of you who wanted to know what the temperature was, let me just check it again. It was 30 degrees. Yeah, it's still 30. It's 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what in Celsius? I don't know what it is in Celsius, but it feels like it's 21 degrees out right now, says my app. 10% chance of snow. Feels like 21 degrees. I'm gonna go back into my blanket now. So though, after walking around my house in my blanket like all day like this, I think, gotta get my tea. I think I'm gonna knit a Stephen West blanket. Not sure which one. Comment down below which one you guys think. So I'm gonna sign off here. We didn't do a lot today. I know the kids didn't come on because we were having a day, so I didn't film them, so I also didn't film a lot of them, and that's about it. I'm gonna go put them to bed, finish editing this, and upload it, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.